Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. All right, so we got a set of classic Moto G MR7 wheels. I got this set for super cheap, around $100. I think I paid for them like a year ago. I've really just been sitting around the shop for a year, so I figured, hey, why don't I pull one of them out and fool with it a little bit? I'm going to try and respray them the original, like, manufacturer silver and see what kind of a finish we can get out of it. They've got scuffs, they've got scratches, they've got chipping paint. These are going to require a little bit of prep, but with a little bit of sweat equity, I really do think we can spruce up these $100 wheels. Let's go ahead, get a respirator, get some sandpaper. Let's see if we can prep these things up, and then we're going to get into paint. I did want to mention before I get a crack on the prep, if you guys are looking for prep supplies, they can be found right on the Speedokote website. If you guys are looking for it, all the sandpapers you need. So for the prep, we're just keeping it pretty basic. We're just hitting it with some 320 grit, nothing too aggressive. That way we don't get any shrink back with our scratches or primer. Prep came out really smooth for the little bit of time we put into it. All we did was some 320 and 400. Red scuff pad for all the remaining smooth areas, getting in all those nooks and crannies. If you guys are going to paint your rims with your tires still on, go ahead and take some wax and grease remover. Clean off that tire, clean off the edges. You guys see we got some gunk off of there. And then for your taping, just go ahead and take some 6-inch paper and tape and go around the wheel and you should be good to go. Went ahead and took the legendary Speedokote aerosol primer. This fills really nice. And the thing I like about this is it is a filler primer, but it lays out smooth like a sealer. It really doesn't require a whole lot of sanding before paint. When I use this product, all I do is take a little bit of 800 grit, just knock a little bit of that surface texture off, and you're ready for paint. Alright, so we got our wheel all scuffed up with 800 grit. Let's take you guys over to the paint bench, show you guys what paint we were using. For any of you guys that have ever sprayed like chrome paints, silver paints, you always have to put it over black. We got our RTS wheel silver, ready to spray. I really like this because it's actually got a ball in the bottom. You can hear it in there. This helps keep the metallics, especially those big chunks that lay in the bottom, stirred up nice. You're not going to get any chunks or anything like that with this product. Then we have our 2-part aluminum specific clear coat. Now, the idea behind this product is, if any of you guys ever did any spray paint stuff when you were a kid, I did the chrome paint, or I did the silver aluminum paint, and I was like, oh, let's clear coat it, let's protect it. You put clear coat on it, and then it's dull. It has zero shine, looks all milky and weird looking. The idea behind this product is you get the protection without dulling out your finish or bringing down the shine or bringing down the brightness of your silver, aluminum, or chrome. Let's put some paint in the gun. Let's see how it turns out. Honest opinion, I have to say I am absolutely blown away by these products. Now, you guys have already seen me spray the jet black a million times. You already knew how that was going to go. This is one coat coverage. I did one nice wet coat. It was done. Then we were ready for the silver. So we started spraying the silver on, just kind of dusting it on. And that once again was really only like one nice coat. We did a dust coat and then we followed it back with another dust coat back to back, and it was covered and done nice and bright, beautiful. You guys would really have to see this in person just to see how beautiful this wheel silver is, but it's just amazing. And then as usual from past experiences, from putting clear coat over aluminum paint or chrome paint or silver paint, I was like, maybe it's going to dull it out a little bit. Did not dull the silver at all. Guys, it has the same exact shine. This is only one coat of clear. Has an amazing shine, and it did not dull the paint. When I say dull the paint, I mean dull those aluminum flakes. So basically in this paint, the RTS wheel silver, it's a bunch of micro aluminum flakes. So that's why we use the aluminum clear. Didn't dull the flakes at all. Still has a nice, super, super bright silver finish. Amazing clear coat product if you have aluminum that you're trying to clear coat and still keep that real bright look to it. If you guys are looking for the best and most affordable auto body products in the world, head on over to www.speedokote.com. They have everything you need to get your projects done. That's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.